YouTube channel, and if this is the first time I'm coming across my channel, you are welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and I'm really grateful, guys. So today's video is just going to be like an update from my last video. You guys are aware that we went for furniture shopping last time and we were confused. Like when we got there, we saw a lot of, like, they were really nice and the price were okay, but the one we actually saw online to buy, when we got there we didn't like it. And looking at the old prices and everything we want to get, we just said that, say, for now let's just get the dining set. At least we have something we can sit on and we can have our meetings, we can have where to eat first and everything before we get to start buying few things for the house. So we will be going there today to get the dining set with Natania definitely, because I'm having a meeting by 12, so I don't want Natania to disturb that meeting. So she'll be going with him, and while I clean the house, arrange the house, cook, keep watching. So guys, I'm done cleaning and cooking, and my meeting has been moved to tomorrow. One of us won't be available, so we decided to move the meeting to tomorrow, and my uncle will be coming tomorrow, so I don't even know how the hotel is going to play out. The meeting is meant to be for, I think, 5:30 p.m. I think it should leave before that time though, so I'm going to attend the meeting tomorrow. But right now I'm tired. I just need to have my bath and wait for Dee to come back so we can know what to do next. And I think I'm supposed to see someone today. I don't even know again. Alright, I'll see you guys. So guys, I'm supposed to meet someone up today, like this afternoon. But looking at the whole weather, no, I'm just not feeling like going again, and it's quite far from my place. So if I'm going to leave now, I'm going to come back very late. So I think I'll just cancel, then see how I can finish up my assignment. I have a deadline to meet on Thursday, so I have to submit the assignment on Thursday. But I'm already on the assignment and it's already looking good. So guys, that's all. Yes, I ordered some things from Amazon over the course of the week. I've opened them to see how if it's what I actually wanted and all, but I felt I should show it to you guys to see my new collections. I'm gonna get the box so we can unbox together. Please don't mind the background noise. Nathaniel is just playing around. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I have this shower cap for Nathaniel. Anytime I want to wash her hair, she's always crying. I don't know how best to wash her hair without water touching her face and all. So I have to buy this. Wow. Able to wash her hair. Just hope to walk. Yeah, let me see. Just hope it to walk. Oh, sorry. So, that thing. Then, guess what, guys? Drama queen. Then I wait now. You the owner. Ring lights, can you see that? Can you see that? But I don't, why is it? I don't understand the excitement. See, that is even happy for me. So I bought this so that my pictures, my videos, lectures are going to be on point and going to be better. I don't know if you can see it. I think it's too close. Wait. This. Let me take off my laptop. That one is very important. Important. Okay. So a bit better now. So this is it. So it came with this, then with a mini tripod stand. The reason why I actually bought this one was because I wanted to buy So can I sit this? Thank you. So I wanted to buy something that I wanted to buy a ring light that will have its own tripod stand, a long tripod stand, then buy a tripod stand. I just felt I think this one is kind of okay in case I want to film something while I'm sitting or while I'm outside. I don't have to carry the whole big tripod stand around. So the last thing I have here is this tripod stand. Please let me remove this one. Yeah, also is real. So I got myself this tripod stand after lots of reviews. Like I read reviews on Amazon, checked on YouTube, and I saw that okay, I can actually go for this. And the good part is I can use this for camera and a phone. So I have this, and guys, it is strong, like it is strong. I'm so happy for this, like I'm really happy guys for this. So I don't have to get books, pile up books, textbooks, plates, as in to get a good place to put my phone. I have this tripod stand. I'm so happy. Though when I was in Nigeria, I had one, but that one was not really strong and the price was really cheap. Yes, it was very cheap. But since I came to Canada, I've been improvising, like really improvising. I wish I can just put pictures of how I've been making my videos. Like it has been like struggle. The struggle is real. But yeah guys, I'm so happy for having this. That's all I have from Amazon this week. Again, I said thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the likes, for the watch. Thank you for the comments. I'm grateful guys. So as usual, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to drop a comment. And you know what guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.